Nice. Okay, 87th Street, Western Avenue, Dan Ryan's Woods. We're going to tunnel now and go back the way we came, all the way to Longwood Drive. We're going to take the scenic route, ladies and gentlemen. And the scenic route is always the way to go. Reporting for you live, Bob G. Here we go in the tunnel. Ooh yeah, nice. We'll go over to Stewart, make a noise. Yep. Right now we're going to travel east, southeast on this beautiful trail right here. The sun is at my back. All right, mister. What is this? Hello. All right, folks, another beautiful day. Enjoying nature. Yes, 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 me too. All right, ladies, you too now. Thank you. It's all good. It's all good.